to use lubrication grease for end seals in flexo and offset printing. You might wonder, what's lubrication grease good for? Advantage number 1. It's easier to install the end seal. Advantage number 2. The end seal will do an even better job. Advantage number 3. The end seal will last longer. And advantage number 4. You have to clean less. So, let's start. What do you need for the installation? The ink chamber, the end seal, a tube of end seal lubrication grease, and finally a pair of safety gloves to protect your hands. Apply lubrication grease to the seal outlines by simply squeezing a good amount of grease directly onto the seal. Then spread the grease evenly until you have a thin layer of grease covering the seal. Now cover the seal side, which is facing inside the chamber, with grease. This will have an additional ink repelling effect. Apply grease to the top radius of the seal where it touches the Anilux roller. The grease improves the anti-frictional properties of the seal, so ink cannot stick to the seal and it will be easier to clean the sealing area later. Insert the seal in the chamber. As you can see, thanks to the grease, the seal slides easily into position. Fasten the end seal in the chamber. In this tutorial, we have used an arquebuse chamber system where the seal is fixed with a holder that is tightened in the chamber. Other chamber system manufacturers might, for example, use end caps or a slot to fix the end seal. The use of lubrication grease will have a positive effect on all types of end seals, whether you are using a foam seal, a felt seal, or a rubber seal. Talking about rubber seals, here is an extra tip for 3D-shaped rubber end seals. These end seals have beveled outlines. They are bigger at the front and smaller at the back. Make sure to apply grease to the bigger front outlines of the end seal to ensure a perfect fit in the chamber. The front of the seal has to face inside the chamber. You did it! You're ready for printing now.